Yo, guys, what's up? So, I'm gonna make now videos on this Pokemon TCG game. Yeah, I'm just doing stuff. So, mainly here just for things. And I'm gonna open a pack. So, oh my god, I have two little thingies. Oh, what's this? What's this? Okay. Sorry, I'm just doing stuff. Oh, what's this? I'm just looking at stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna open the deluxe pack right now. And in the comments, you guys can say what you want next. But for right now, I'm just looking at everything. Gift? Oh, thanks. I don't know what that does. It looks cool. Deluxe pack, let's see, guys. I'm opening a booster pack. Let's go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't really know to make a custom song. Which one of you do I pick? I guess this one. Don't fail me. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, okay. Crawdog, not bad, not bad. I like the art. I like the art style. Nice. Nitrous. Ugh. Ooh, Garchomp. Garchomp's my favorite. He's always been a cool guy. Hey, he's my fourth so for right now. So let's see. I got 15 cards in total now. I don't really care about all that. I don't really care about filling the decks. I just like seeing the little cards pop up. I think it's cool. So I'm not opening another one of the EX packs because I just did. But if you guys want me to do another one, like another pack here, what's this? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so you can pick between any of these cards, and out of everything here, I'm gonna choose this one because I like the chance of getting stuff. I'm gonna open this one. The cards ain't actually that bad. Okay. Yeah, I'll open this one. Please give me Buzzwole Twin. It's my dream. Okay, I'm gonna make a new one. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Make a custom song. Don't know. What do? Who do I pick? The one I pick is you. There we go. Alright. We're gaming. I'm not gonna look at the side. Palisand. Okay. Manside. Carvana. And Aaron. Scarlet. No shiny cards. Well, that's okay. At least got some stuff registered in the decks. Hey, that's it for today. I guess. Ooh, 16. Number 16 brings to mind Dragonite can fly in spiders. Oh, nice. Dragonite. Tough. I love Dragonite. It's always just been one of them for me. It's just been cool. Number 9, number 10, and number blah, 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 blah. Okay. That's good. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so I guess I'll just go with the tutorial. 12? After 12? Bro! Why did the game make me use 12? I guess I'm opening this pack again. I'll just choose the first one. It's simpler. Okay. Beast type. Ooh. 2, 3. Got one more. Then the card. Whoa. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Wow. I want to screenshot this. Let's go. Get that screenshot in. Whoa. Thanks, game, for making me do this again. It's cool. Look at all my cards, guys. 25. Oh, a Pikachu number. Pikachu National Pokedex. Blah, blah, blah. Nice. That's cool. Guzzlord's also really cool Pokemon. And there you go. Cards have been recommended. Anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow.